Now I carry this food bag with me. It's full of emergency rations when I can't sort of get anything fresh. If I do get lost or I don't know, stuck somewhere, I have enough food here for probably about 5 days. Sometimes I just like put my hand in, I'm like, what's for dinner? Just like do a lucky dip. Not exactly nutritious, although I've got the Cliff Bars, but the idea is that all I need with these is to boil up water and add in whatever it is, like a pasta, a noodle, oatmeal porridge, all sorts of sort of easy quick meals that I can have. I've even got this can of peaches that I have been carrying around with me everywhere. I don't recommend peaches because they're kind of heavy, but one of these days I'm going to be craving fruit and be glad I have it. If I get to state number 48 and I have this many vitamins on me, it's a massive fail. Oh, got some carrots. So I do have other vegetables. This is good. Whenever I find convenient fruit and vegetable, I always grab it. Sometimes just dried fruit. It's all you can find in some of these towns. All right, so I'm going with the Alfredo broccoli. Here I've got a little cook set. It's got in it a pot, a pan. This is so cute. The little handles fold out. So I haven't used this one yet, but I use the pot mostly. Inside the pot, I've got the element. I've got a mini wooden spoon, knife, fork, spoon. I think this is for cleaning, and some bowls. When you're alone, obviously you just eat out of the pan or the pot. And I don't even know what this is. I guess this could be like, oh, like a ladle? Maybe if you've got some soup action. So there's a lot. There's a lot that's packed into one little bag. And that's what you want when you're camping or motorbike camping. Because there's not a lot of room. Room is at a premium. So I just got this off Amazon. I don't think it was expensive at all. Maybe like 20 bucks. And then what else you need is obviously some propane. I'm gonna connect that up. This is cool. It just sort of unfills. Screw it in. And you don't even have to have your own lighter. It has like a button that you push. So you want to just turn it on a little bit. Just a smidge. Okay, maybe I didn't turn it on enough. Okay, we can see it there. Ooh, hoo, hoo. We are cooking with gas. All right. So, the magic ingredient, water. Throw that on. Boom. We're gonna wait for it to heat up, pop the lid on, and throw this in. And that is dinner locked and loaded.